Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to add a payment method in Google Play Store. Firstly, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access your apps. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap on the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner. From the menu, tap on Payment Methods. And under Add Payment Method, select the type of payment method you'd like to add. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your payment details. When you're done, tap Save. You can quickly add a credit or debit card by scanning it with or without the camera's phone. You're all set. You can now make purchases in the Google Play Store. To update or remove your payment method later, go back to Payment Methods and tap More Payment Settings. That's it. Now you know how to add a payment method in Google Play Store. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.